Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste are produced, and only a small portion gets recycled. Most of it ends up in landfills, rivers, and ocean, where it takes hundreds of years to decompose. Unlike biodegradable materials, plastic doesn't easily break down. It just turns into small pieces called microplastics, which harm marine animals and even enter our food chain. Proper waste disposal starts with segregation. We should separate our trash into three main categories. By practicing proper segregation, we help keep our surroundings clean, lessen the waste that harms nature, and make our communities more sustainable. At home, we first learn the habit of cleanliness and responsibility. When our parents teach us to throw our trash properly, segregate waste, and keep our surroundings tidy, we build discipline and care for the environment. Simple acts like sweeping, composting food waste, or reusing plastic containers makes a big difference. In school, we strengthen what we learn at home. Our teacher reminds us to keep our classroom clean, throw our trash in the right bin, and join cleanup drives. Schools help us understand why waste segregation is important, not just for orderliness, but also to protect nature and our health. In community, we step outside. The lessons continue in our community, following waste collection schedules, joining tree planting activities, and reminding others to dispose of trash properly. These small actions create a cleaner, safer, and more peaceful environment for everyone.
Your trash, our treasure. Recycle the future.